Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
James PK Sangma ubalong menteri badai pet ya katana taxation ulaong bakamlong satya kababean ban terwa ya ka one time settlement scheme sya ki petrol pump na kabenta ban seo pendem ya ka value added tax kabala sateng. Hakajing keren bat ka Batesi TV u James PK Sangma ulaong bakajing keno jong ka seng Congress kalong kababakala ban ong bakajing terwa ya ka one time settlement kalong kababean. But syasyu ulaong ru kajing penterekam ya ka one time settlement scheme kalong katkum ki kendon jong ka ain.
In terms of the allegations that OTS is illegal, they are wrong, and there is nothing illegal about the one-time settlement. Amnesty schemes have been given by various other states, taxation departments, and this is an opportunity given to people with outstanding dues, so that flexibility can be availed of, and they can pay all these dues which are due to the government, which would eventually be either written off as bad debts or which would continue for a long period of time. So one-time settlement is an amnesty scheme which government of Meghalaya came about, and it is very much within the purview of law. Amnesty scheme was something which has been duly vetted by the law department. Now I don't know what the Honorable Leader of Opposition is referring to, but due diligence has been followed and done to ensure that the vetting of the law department is taken before this scheme was rolled out. Figure with me, but it is a very big figure, more than hundreds of crores. Yeah.